Enabling voice chat in Roblox involves a few simple steps, but first it's important to ensure that your account meets the necessary requirements. To use voice chat, you'll need to be over the required limit age. So basically Roblox typically sets a 13 or older age. So once you meet the age requirements, you can enable voice chat through the privacy settings in your account. Start by logging into your Roblox account and navigating to the settings menu. Once there, go to the privacy tab where you're going to find options related to communication and interaction with others. Look for the voice chat setting and toggle it to the on position. You may be asked to verify your identity either through a mobile phone number or through other methods provided by Roblox. So, after enabling voice chat, ensure that your microphone is properly connected and that your computer or device's audio settings are configured correctly. When in a game, voice chat will be available if the game itself supports it. You can speak directly to others and they can hear you in real time, enhancing the multiplayer experience.